we have seed. Next is root and stem and leaf. Okay, remember that. Everybody repeat after me. Seed.
Seed.
Root.
Root.
Stem.
Stem.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Okay, we have 4 questions here about plants. So, first one is what 3 things do plants need to grow? Okay, remember we have the video what happened to seed, the seed, okay? So, at first the video, seed drinks lots of water. So, now let's have 4 choices. A, apples, bananas, and pears. Does the plant need of this?
No.
Letter B, food, water, and air. C, sunlight, water, and air. D, energy, grow, and healthy. Okay, boss, what is your answer?
Sunlight, water, and air.
Very good. So, sunlight, water, and air. Let's tick and check. Very good. Okay, now, I have a question before we go to number 2. Why does plants, listen on, doesn't need food? Plants just need sunlight, water, and air. Why? Anyone aside the boss? Anyone? Boss, why does plant doesn't need food?
Plants need food for their own.
Very good. Plant doesn't need food because they can make their own food. Okay, very good. Nice answer. Okay, let's go to number 2. Label the parts of the plant. Good. Where is the stem and where is the leaf? Now, who can do this one? And come here. Come up here. Okay, Nanisa, come here, please. Okay, so as you can see, that is the plant. So where is the stem and leaf? Okay, come here, Nanisa. Okay, be careful. Okay, point. Where is the stem? Okay. Again, please. Okay, stop there. Then leave. Okay, let's check. Thank you, Nanisa. Please sit down. Let's check if Nanisa is correct. Okay, I will tap the check answer. Very good. Nanisa got correct answer. Next, let's go to number 3. Okay, can you read the question, please? Okay, everybody, where does go? Stem from. Okay, so where does the plant start its stem from? Okay, so A, leaf, B, seed, C, root, or D, stem. Okay, who can answer here? Papa, come over here and answer number 3 question. Okay, now tap. Is it A, B, C, D? Just tap, tap letter. Is it A or B? No, just tap. Okay, thank you. That is your answer, leaf. Okay, now let's do this one. Okay, can we check? Oh, that's not correct answer. Okay, let's try another one. Kapun, come here, please. Let's try again. Okay, please. Okay, tap the circle. Okay, let's answer. Very good. Kapun did it correctly.